Good day, everyone. Recap of basic electronic components. In our previous video, we explored fundamental electronic components, resistors, capacitors, inductors, diodes, transistors, and FETs. Each of these components plays a critical role in shaping how electronic circuits function. To set the stage for today's topic, let's briefly recap their key characteristics and applications. With those foundational components in mind and a refreshed understanding of basic elements, we now dive into electronic symbols, the graphical representations of these components in circuit schematics. Introduction to electronic symbols. In this schematic circuit, you'll see how components like resistors, capacitors, and transistors are represented by their unique symbols. Each plays a vital role in electronic systems, and together they form the foundation of devices we use daily. Why are these symbols so essential in electronic design? Purpose of electronic symbols. Their purpose is clear. They simplify circuit drafting, enhance clarity, and provide a standardized way to understand complex circuits. By using symbols, engineers can efficiently build intricate systems with greater precision and speed. Now that we understand their purpose, we'll look at how these symbols are standardized. Standardization of electronic symbols. To ensure consistency, electronic symbols are globally standardized by organizations like the IEC and ANSI. However, slight variations can occur due to regional practices or specific engineering disciplines. Understanding these standards ensures universal clarity regardless of where a design is created or used. Now, we'll take a closer look at the different categories of symbols used in circuit diagrams. Types of symbols in circuit diagrams. Symbols are also categorized based on the components they represent. There are resistor symbols, capacitor symbols, transistor symbols, switches, and more. Each type of symbol provides a quick visual reference to identify the component and its function in the circuit. To understand these symbols better, we'll break down their essential elements. Elements of electronic symbols. Every electronic symbol is defined by key elements: the component designator, pin numbers, pin names, and electrical characteristics. These elements allow designers to seamlessly integrate components into schematics while maintaining their functionality and connections. When it comes to creating symbols from scratch, precision is key. Here's how this is done. Design a symbol using datasheet for schematic. When creating new symbols, accuracy is essential. This process starts with referencing the component's datasheet, which provides details about pin configurations and electrical properties. Using this information, designers create precise symbols that integrate seamlessly into their schematics. Conclusion. In conclusion, electronic symbols are the building blocks of circuit design. They enable engineers to create clear, standardized, and efficient schematic diagrams, forming the language of circuits. In the next video, we'll dive into the fundamentals of circuits, exploring essential strategies to build efficient designs and enhance the performance of your electronic systems. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more topics in our Back to Basics series.